Choosing the right screws for uPVC frames.
Hello, and welcome to this video. Today, we'll be discussing the type of screws you should use when attaching items to a uPVC frame. By the end of this video, you'll be better prepared to make the right choice for your project.
What is uPVC?
uPVC, or unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, is a popular material used in the construction of window and door frames. It's known for its durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. When attaching items to a uPVC frame, it's crucial to choose the right screws to ensure a secure and long-lasting connection.
What type of screws should I use?
To attach items to a uPVC frame, you should use self-tapping screws specifically designed for use with uPVC or similar materials. These screws are often made of stainless steel or coated with anti-corrosion materials to provide extra durability. Key factors to consider when selecting screws for your project include: 1. Screw length. Choose a length that will provide adequate holding power without puncturing through the uPVC frame. 2. Screw diameter. Select a diameter that's appropriate for the item being attached, taking into account the weight and load requirements. 3. Head type. Consider the head type, such as flat head, pan head, or countersunk head, depending on the desired finish and appearance of the final installation.
How do I install the screws?
To install screws in a uPVC frame, follow these steps. 1. Pre-drill a pilot hole. Use a drill bit slightly smaller than the screw diameter to create a pilot hole in the uPVC frame. This will help guide the screw and reduce the risk of cracking the frame. 2. Attach the item. Align the item you're attaching with the pilot holes and begin to insert the screws. 3. Tighten the screws. Use a screwdriver or power drill to tighten the screws until they're snug and secure, being careful not to over-tighten. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you on the right type of screws to use when attaching items to uPVC frames. By choosing the appropriate screws and following proper installation techniques, you can ensure a secure and lasting connection. Good luck with your project!